Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, can Tesla vehicles be hacked? The straightforward answer is yes. Like any internet-connected vehicle or computer system, Tesla vehicles have vulnerabilities and have been successfully hacked by security researchers. These attacks are usually disclosed to Tesla to improve security, which is part of their active bug bounty program. The main security risks can be divided into a few categories: remote vulnerabilities and phishing. Some of the most critical vulnerabilities are those that allow access from a distance. Man-in-the-middle, MITM, phishing attacks. Hackers can create fake Wi-Fi networks at places like supercharger stations. When a driver connects and tries to log into a spoofed Tesla login page, the attacker steals their account credentials and the two-factor authentication code. With this, they can generate a new digital phone key, unlock the car, and drive it away. Remote exploits via browser. Historically, vulnerabilities have been found in the vehicle's web browser, which could allow a remote attacker to gain access to the car's internal network, known as the CAN bus, and remotely control functions like the brakes, door locks, or wipers. Tesla typically patches these quickly with over-the-air (OTA) software updates. Digital key and relay attacks. The convenience of digital keys, like the phone key and key card, also presents a vulnerability. Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE) relay attacks. Attackers use relay devices to amplify the signal between the owner's phone or key fob and the car. This tricks the vehicle into thinking the legitimate key is nearby, allowing the attacker to unlock and start the car. Key fob firmware exploits. Researchers have found ways to exploit vulnerabilities in the key fob's firmware update process to clone the key, allowing for unauthorized entry and theft. Physical and hardware hacking. Even the car's physical hardware isn't completely immune. Autopilot hardware manipulation. Security experts have demonstrated they can physically manipulate the car's control units, for example, by causing a brief voltage dip, to potentially bypass security measures and manipulate the system, like gaining access to data collected for autopilot training. Protection and mitigation. Tesla addresses these vulnerabilities by releasing frequent OTA updates to patch software flaws. Drivers can also take steps to protect themselves. Always enable two-factor authentication on your Tesla account. Use the Pin to Drive feature, which requires a separate 4-digit code on the touchscreen to start the vehicle, preventing a thief from driving away even if they gain access. Be cautious of suspicious Wi-Fi networks and never enter your credentials on an unfamiliar or unverified login screen. Ensure your vehicle is running the latest software version. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.